Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you quality content daily to guide you through the world of innovative products. Today, we're diving into the realm of smart homes, and if you're looking to kickstart your journey, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the best Google Smart Home Starter Kit to elevate your living space. Stay tuned for insightful reviews and recommendations that will make your home smarter and your life easier. Let's make your home the smartest it's ever been. Number 1. Ecobee New Smart Thermostat. Ecobee's new Smart Thermostat Premium with Smart Sensor has all the features you'd expect: remote access, scheduling, and voice control via Google Assistant. Its standout feature is Ecobee's temperature sensor, which will continuously send information back to the thermostat. If you live in a single-zone home with multiple floors, there's a good chance a back room will be significantly warmer or cooler than the rest of the house. Using this Google Assistant-compatible smart thermostat will ensure it's comfortable by running your HVAC system until it's at your preferred temperature. Ecobee offers room sensors as a standalone accessory if you have heating or cooling issues in multiple parts of your home. Number 2. GE Sync Smart LED. GE Sync Smart light bulbs are a good entry point into the Google Smart Home ecosystem because of their low cost and utility. These bulbs can be screwed into any standard size light fixture and can be set up within minutes using GE Sync app on iOS and Android. No hub is required to set up or manage these light bulbs. Once the smart light bulbs are installed, you can control them using the Google Assistant on your phone or appropriate smart speaker. You can turn the bulbs on and off, dim them to your preferred luminosity, and even have them change color to adjust the mood of your room. You'll even be able to turn these light bulbs on remotely, so you don't walk into a dark house when you return from work or school. Number 3. Google Nest Doorbell, Battery. A smart doorbell is the ultimate complementary device to a smart lock, as it'll allow you to see who's approaching your home before they try to get inside. The Google Nest Doorbell allows you to get a live feed of what's happening in front of your house at any time from any place. Your phone will receive a notification each time the bell is rung or if its motion sensor has been triggered. You can communicate with the person at your door thanks to this doorbell's integrated speaker and microphone system. If you pay for an optional Nest Aware subscription, the doorbell will create a recording when its motion sensor is triggered and save that clip in the cloud. The camera built into the Google Nest Doorbell can record HD footage with high dynamic range and has a nighttime camera to capture clear footage once it gets dark. We've opted to recommend the battery-powered version of this video doorbell, which will need to be charged roughly every 6 months because it can be installed without existing wiring. Number 4. Narwhal Frio Robot Vacuum and Mop. What if you could clean your floors without having to do so much as touch your smartphone, much less a mop or broom? Narwhal's Frio allows you to turn that Fantasia-like fantasy into a reality. Once the robot vacuum is connected to your home's Wi-Fi network using Narwhal's iOS or Android app, you can connect it to Google Assistant, allowing you to start a cleaning using your voice. The Frio is a vacuum mop combo, which means it can perform 2 core cleaning functions depending on the dirtiness and composition of your floors. The vacuum uses AI to assess the dirtiness of your floors and will adjust the intensity of its cleaning in real time. It can also map the layout of the area it's in to clean in the most efficient way possible, even around the perimeters and in corners. Once it's done cleaning, or it senses that its brushes are too dirty, the Narwhal will automatically return to its charging station to deposit refuse into a dirty water tank built into the base. This reduces the amount of contact you'll have to make with the dirt and cuts down on its maintenance. Number 5. GE Sync Indoor Smart Plug. If you don't want to mess around with your outlets, or rent instead of own, GE Sync Indoor Smart Plug is the right solution. It has all the functionality of the smart outlet we're recommending, but in a portable plug that you can connect anywhere in your home. The biggest benefit to choosing a smart plug over a smart outlet, beyond not having to think about wiring, is the ability to move it around. You can use this device to turn holiday lights on and off using your voice during the holiday season, but keep it connected to a lamp in an entirely different room the rest of the year. The Sync Smart Plug makes any lamp or electric device smart, so smart plugs and devices respond to voice commands as an entire smart home system. Get added home security and convenience with the ability to control your electric devices away from home with these Wi-Fi outlets, so you never worry about leaving your iron on or coming home to a dark house. The Sync smart plugs that work with Google Home and Alexa include a hub that connects directly to voice assistant devices, so you don't need to purchase a standalone bridge or hub.